time. I come for live, you know. What the predicament? What going over here, so? Good night, good night, good night. Boy, I get thick. You know what I'm saying? Boy, too much cold there. What going, people? Eh? Jesus Christ, social media is not a real place. I mean, seriously. It's not a real place. A bag of shit are going for the internet. I don't know what's that. I don't really do have nothing to say. More than I want to reason about the whole. Everything was going on. More reason about this whole MVP cartel business. But oh, gal clown and red Uno gal, uno for always take note now, you know. Then you the man them on the rate and would like for date, you know. You notice that they no rate you know, as a man. Yes. You see, if a man sing a sentimental tune about a gal, him is a gal clown and nobody never rate him. Boy, that's the life go. Yeah, when me hear say the girl get back her baby, I'm glad for her and the baby. But what a desperation that the little girl go through because you're a young girl and you're a thief pitting if you keep blood clot, man. I want to fear her over his eye, heck them a rotten out. I must not. You hear one plate? Yeah, Nikki. I eat fish around the kitchen there. Yeah, baby, I'm finished. Thank you. Nikki, around there. Me go talk about bumpa and MoMo to people who are going to know so long time. Yes, Jesus! I'm kind of frustrated, you know, because me and babes my drink from there, who can them little thing there and sitting. Boy, before I go to the stunt, let me say, I am not responsible for anything that comes out of my mouth right now. Anything that comes out of my mouth is solely because of the thing that I'm drinking called cognac. And cognac is a beverage that you can buy in the liquor store and it will turn you into fool. Them call it spirit. I ain't supposed to drink and drive. I'm not do that. So pardon anything that I'm about to say. Good? Alright. Kiss my rascal. Big up Jamaica, the keyless race. Only turn down them wall if I sit there. Walk on around this. Big up Jamaica, the keyless blood clot race. Yes. Yes. No phone I got here, so this is not what I do. Yeah. More so much more around I got blood clot dead. Phone to stop this whole heap of blood clot Olympics activity one I go on it. The whole on one blood clot dead half bigger. You see me bigger? Yeah, bigger. What's the clot? I think I need to reason with the name. I think I need to reason with the name in the dark. Because it needs a set of bomb wall. You understand? Oh, no, no, move from right there, sir. You understand? Fucking on. Tyrant. Yeah. Eh? Look at you. Eh? All I want to say is, you see you and your wholeness? And your wholeness. Okay. And your wholeness. A wholeness. Say no, no, so what the and your wholeness got some bumps. And say, alright, me G. Me go cut off a dance. Me go some bumps and cut off a dance them because you want now people if you got work at daytime now. If you hear them one all about careless gig, blood clot people here flick up and down in the blood clot dance all them and your wholeness them like off a dance and the whole on the scream out. People of it. People of them look hustling that. People this, people that. Remember, Jamaica is the only country you go and you realize 4, 5, 6:30 in the morning people are flick up and down in the street. People are flick up
and down, then I sleep. Yeah, then that's a flick. The people I flick your phone. I flick. When you look, everybody a blood clot flick. Everybody a flick. I say, kiss me, Ross clot. Them a flick. Everybody a flick. So now Jamaica become a flicking country. Hear me to my wife. He said, Ross clot, if we can't flick, so how we not do good in a blood clot gymnastics over there playing picture? I said, kiss me, Ross clot. When you looking at dancehall, let me know, Jigo. You ever watch wrestling? Jesus Christ. When you watch wrestling, now, when you see the other man roll up on the other man and fling the other man on the other man and swing him in back now, so you understand, so it's a combination of one there. So you're looking at dance, a big combination. You see me? Attack! How you can? I be a blood clot attack. I said, kiss me, Rascal. We think I dance, my Rascal. Everybody a wrestle, like grown people, they a fight. One neck. Hold on, go. You say, kiss me, Rascal, him out dead. You say, this me, Rascal. Then you see some very unique stunt. You see a lot of, I can't remember back in the 90s, you know, my friend, I grab and mix up in the music. You see, back in the 90s and 80s, them are bubbling and dancing. If he doesn't want me, alright. She got something to hide. She wants me for a clown. Someone to take for a ride. What I keep telling them, I'm too experienced. So you bubble, you know, and you taste, you have a dragon in the hand, you see my blood clot. You say, yo, selector, one more time. That back in the 80s, you know, bubbling segment. You hold on for mama, your blood clot, bubble for mama, you know, so now go make blood clot, baby. Good blood clot, touch a play in your ears, while you say my blood clot, Gregory Isaac. Night nurse, only you alone can quench this thirst. You say kiss my blood clot at them, you see, in a dance, you see, hold them, reach out, draw them in back and wind up on them, you know. You see, when you see it start come down to the 90s now, well, that's start perish, you know. Mr. The whole of Jamaica economy start perish. Mr. When you come on to the 90s, when you hear them a skin out first, you know, because in the 90s, then come out with the blood clot. Butterfly. Everybody a blood clot butterfly. I say, kiss my ass clot, everybody. Butterfly. Whole a skin out, my friend. Girl, him have a face. Girl, him have a beamer. Remind me of the Benz and the girl a skin out in a dance. And a jam. Some blood clot jam. You say, my ass clot. You say, Jesus Christ. The whole pussy skin out in a the blood clot dance. Being the man a play merciless. I play ya say me blood club. You the girl them gizzarda. Be a hot girl me walk around and a sada. Well, girl I say me hot harder. And this dance I start perish, you know. When you look, everybody keen out in a dance and that's a joke. And you say kiss my rascal. And yes or no, you say, alright, this have to be the worstest dancehall can get. You say, yes, kiss my rascal, dancehall can get no worse on this. A rascal, it can't get no worse on this, you know. Boom, come the early 2000s now, you know. Kiss my rascal, you know. New millennium, you know. This is when I say Jesus Christ is coming, you know. I remember when I hear 2000 I come, everybody blood clot run Ghana church, you know. Everybody give their soul and them blood clot heart to God, you know. This is the new blood clot millennium, you know, good as I may tell you, say, them the time that went to Lagan, Step and Chichi, man. Them the time there, at that Aguan. You see me, I deal with. We have a plane and them the signal the plane, Mr. Signal the plane, roll like a boat. Them the time they are passa time. Them the time they are dirty Friday time. Them that time when them are beating your head with the blood clot, hacky limb. The hacky limb are walking in your bumper clot in your. I say, kiss my ass clot. That's how I can get no worse than this. Dancehall cannot get no worse than hockey limb. When you look Monday up in a blood clot hockey tree, you have to wonder, kiss my ass. Then that on a Kingston 10. How is someone look that Akichi come from in a dance? Man, they up in Akichi, chuck out. Man, go pan blood clot, jerk pan, chuck pan girl, bloom in a road. I say, kiss my ass. Dancehall cannot get any worse. It can't. Remember, said that I knew millennium when God did that come, you know. But in that case, God never bother come and then can continue the fuckery. Boom now! Jesus Christ, the early 2000s that gone, you know. You see, one time you see it reach to 2000 and blood clot 9 I got 10. One time this year, another millennium. Jesus Christ. I know wheelbarrow people there. Wheelbarrow reaching a dance, Jigo. Jigo, hold bicycle. Tarpaulin, Jigo, hold mattress. In a blood clot, jerk pan. Them a lock up girl and a jammy blood clot jerk pan. Girl in a jerk pan, a man a fucking jerk pan, Jigo. You see me? Them your time you know, my friend. What do you see? This a brother here, hold out girl leg and then the other one dash in front in her crutches good as. This other millionaire, I'm doing like tens that. You said then good as. Dancehall can't get any worse than this. It can't. I mean, what the fuck? You understand me? Then one time you're looking at the 2010 after that, the time they're coming in now to this a decade, the 2020 decade, kind of how a new decade this start, you know, what they are going at the early part, you know, the finishing in our teens, they, you know, God, that's the last part, you know. You see, that time there, everything changed. How we start worrying I dance, you know. We start broke boy pocket in a dance, boy, you jam you take out money out of boy pocket in a dance, you know. No man all a jam you, and then just jam your girl around and tap in your thinking dirty hole. Nowadays when time man a fucking in your hole, in the kick in your hole and drop you upon your blood clot face. Man nowadays in this a decade they jam you upon your blood clot face and drop your ground. When you look nowadays you have a trinity. Share them. When you see the three of them come, the whole of them coming like blood clot last kid man. They fling the one another from this to this, so you know they one another blood clot. And you say then kiss my ass clot, they make girl enough your blood clot dance. They make girl have to go in a wrestling ring or ECW this. You have to kiss my ass clot. When you see the one they flick up, the one that drop, the one they in a pussy, and then the one you split, and then the other one flick off on him, you say ass. They make girl practice hard. You have to kiss my ass clot. A joke thing this, my J. No dancehall coming like a show. You wonder when it start. Boy, night 2, 3 o'clock in the blood clot morning. When you look 4 o'clock in the morning, at them your blood clot time your wrestling match start. Nobody in the dance now blood clot pay attention to music again. They just watch a blood clot piranha. Them a flick up and down. Tarpaulin come out now and them put out the one you spread out, the one you hold and chuck in the one there. And chuck and kick up and flick up in the one there. So the only reason why you see me go down in a decade them so either, you know. You wonder why surprised there. Say somebody did I go dead. Me I wonder what is the big woo frenzy about? We never know say somebody I go dead long time. The whole heap of flickings and chuckings how we been a seeing a dancer. Why me hear everybody but kiki, whoopsie doo, bawling. Why so much crying? Una never know say somebody did like a succumb to you fucker when I did them. Una never know say the whole heap of blood clot gymnastics activity when nobody not practice for the time. Why only so surprised say the magnum gymnastics never did kill somebody long time? Why everybody surprised? Say the outdoors gymnastics murder somebody now. Oh, somebody never know say this gymnastics activity where the Jamaicans take place with the night dance without blood clot coaching. Oh, no never know say then did I go succumb to it one day. Oh no, me not like this because yeah, oh my God. I can't believe this. What about the kids, sir? What about this? What about that? Hey. Between me and you know, not between me and nobody else, you know, but between me and Ono. Ono know fucker. Yeah, man. A long time, I tell the son of fucker, man, but me never too really want to tell the BG. You see me? Yeah, man. More go dead. Because B, one thing me I telling you, Jigo. Nobody cares surprised about this, Jigo. Jamaica do not have a fucking gymnastics scholarship, nor gymnastics program in Jamaica. More than every day you find this one amount of get out salt mackerel and tin mackerel and bumbuckler, quarter pound of saltfish gala, get up a flick up and down in a blood clot street, them a jump from tree to blood clot tree. How what do you miss what Nissan Sonny pick up one of them in a middle road there to blood clot like offering in a church? Me say Nissan Sonny pick up him bumbuckler front of middle road, flick up on his head top, and the Nissan Sonny clot him out of road. Because me get fi understand say when the sorrel beer touch them gyal nowadays because they not drink Hennessy, you know. When the sorrel beer with the mix up with the Magnum touch them, a problem. When you see the same piece of Magnum, you know, send them in a middle road, you know. If you go turn up on the head top, you know. Any oncoming blood clot traffic, you know, I feed them it. Take it. You see me? Them a girl move to the extreme. I forgot say enjoyment then come out for, but them a work. Cause somebody say a 3,500 Jamaican dollar. Them girl pick up for themselves at night time go flick up and down so far. You know, so now fucker. One motherfucker. Yeah, here you go. Here you go. No show on our ships. More I'm telling us so now fucker a long time, but me just never did do it. Here the one this a girl, why? Lord God, the whole girl and get up every bumbo clot there. Jamaica turn himself in a one bag of blood clot carpet. In a dance all them to pussy clot. When people go in a dance nowadays, nobody no go in there to go enjoy themselves and sit down and drink 2 juice. Turn up in a one corner and bungs 2 berries to blood clot. No, everybody want go in a dance hall, go on the carpet in there. Lie down a ground for some of the boy pitney chuck off our rooftop on them. Or some of the girl pitney flicking at them stomach. Or some of the girl pitney flick up on them back when them a blood clot go up a head top. How happen now? How are the automatic blood clot, this and that? Back in the days when the nurse in a girl dead in a dance, I must because I fuck crew and I don't know. Back in the days, no girl in a dance and I do them something. You understand me idea? Back in the days, you know hear no girl pitney. I dead them they'll go wild weird. Oh no 2 blood clot wild. Oh that set a dancing ya. What go on in a dance hall? That is not dancing, that's a wildness. A wild on a fucking wild. Oh no wild. Oh no 2 pussy clot wild youth. None of that are dancing. Oh no kill on a blood clot one another and don't know what people sorry for no. Oh no wild. I don't want to catch. Fuck, do no. That look like dancing too, no? fucking wild. This wall if I flick up and down, throw down on yourself a ground. Me see someone slap up on the head in the ground, buff a ground. Me wonder how no blood clot gone in a coma yet. Me wonder how someone in a pussy clot coma. So when me own a blood clot about, girl succumb to it. Uno go suck on a mama. Uno sister them a cast this pan and say, we're sorry for that. Not them who go in a dance go wild so. How what that is dancing? How that a dancing? Ballerinas are graceful. The little man come, hold them up so, then they spread out their hand like them about to fly. Whoa in the air. Him put her back down the ground gracefully. Not a blood clot. I kick and box down when I put down in a dance. Cover up on a blood clot self with rubbish bin. Thump up a rubbish bin. I dance in that. Put on in a garbage bag. Dirty girl. Dirty girl. Thinking mode girl. Sorry, what? Who not take fighting, wrestling, and blood clot rugby and Tonina dancing? Who not nobody not train enough to do all of this thing, but you not take up on yourself. As dirty thinking mode civilian every day. Get up. I jump from fence to fence, I flick over on one another. Fiwa. That is dancing. Then what about flicking there? That are too much flicking. You see what flicking costs? Nobody train you for flick so. Who the train you for flick so? You do it. Bet you. Kuya. Make me tell you something. That I went to Unatabo. Una do no one little thing them and then turn them in a style. Them then understand no kill on the set. Well, me never tell you no. See there? One dead. Una got dead. $3,500 Jamaican, 25 US. Una dead fast now. Chuck pound the neck, a broke off on a bumbo clot neck. Una chuck pound one another suffer. Or what kind of style that could be so? How that make a difference in our style? No, you don't even move to a beat, you just a chuck pound one another there you go. Then now, people break that them survive. None of one do one dancing. Sometimes, you don't want to see it. People take them and turn them in a vine. Me see one Yankee boy. Him take some Jamaican dance scenes and turn them in a one vine. 5 million views me see it the other day. And all the people must say, oh my God, are they fighting? What are they doing? When I idiot? That is not fucking dancing. Nothing wanna do. You no depend on beat, you no do nothing more than us. I flick up and down like when fish drop out of water to pussy clot. This slingshot, flinging at your wall, bloom. Boy, you chuck off a roof, bloom. This a fucker. When last you see a girl bubble to a song, none na do that. None of them now bubble. Bubble girl a bubble. I last time I see girl a bubble to rascal in a dancehall. One song Conscience sing you about fucking 6 years ago. Bubble girl a bubble. Selector. Yeah, girl a video girl named Bubble Pan. If you have... Last time. No bubble, no bubble. Everybody wants somebody take them and slam up in a one car wheel. Everybody wants somebody take one of the old blood clot. He crystallized chair them and broke up in a head back. If you not take up one of the raccoon them in a road and fuck up some of the girl pitney and a dancing that. If you not chuck off our rooftop in a some of the girl pitney hole and a dancing that. If 3 girl pitney no flick up on a head top and then 1 more girl pitney chuck on all of them and a dancing that. We're sorry for that. Missy, someone to catch all of the crutches of fire. Someone to beat to the wall with blood clot, cement black. Someone to chuck on in a fireside. We don't know wall. Because we don't want to show us all about this life. Huh? Who not do everything? When you bring us some sit and come and dance, you don't need to come there. A beating on the wall with. Hot fuck. Hot fuck. When you get a lighter. Light on the pussy. Everybody pussy a fry. Pussy here a bun. Alcohol in a crotch. Light that. When he's upset a blood clot, idiot. What kind of sympathy you want people have for no fucking... I be a fucking idiot to dance now. Boy, a drug off girl, we gonna beat them and that is acceptable. Rascal, you good wig. Boy, a drug off your head and I take it give some fuck lick with it. You mean to tell me, say, he lace front. He good lace front. Where you pay for put on. You accept a man for going to dance at Yanni Magwan. And you want him pick out your blood clad head like a junker? You accept that? And a dance in that? You accept that? So, what the fuck you know about? Not this I knew dancing. Jamaica never enter in a blood clot. Hey, you know some idea? The first time Jamaica got some boom and enter in the Olympics, what year? Big blood clot things go on. The girl get recognized because guess what they find out on the skill. On the skill, you know. Here what Anjo. You see like how you lock off the dance them, they have a better thing for you. You know, say, what I get them skill about there. You know, say, all of them want to flick up and down like a blood clot fish out of water. Anjo, here what you do, Mr. Wellness. You need to have a gymnastics program and put them to flick up and down in there. And win with some medal at this Olympics thing, yeah. Because we can't have so much girl and flick and not get nothing out of here and then just a dead, so. Whoa. We can't have so much flicker. They must flick all about the place. See, they must flick and dead, you know. People are flick on people and people are flick on people and people are dead, Anjo. Could you mother flicking a one? You get the flick? You see the talent what Jamaica have. Brother? You don't say you have one pen, a animal. Stop try hide it. Just embrace it. Find something for your animal, then do. Right? Use any stone or you did I use to kill some bird and kill them with this. You need to go find out the talent them with them whatever Olympians they have. And put them in another program there. When you win Olympics and them thing they in a gymnastics and draw a bag of money. You can't have so much talented Olympians right here and I do nothing about it. See them are dead there. Andrew, you ever see feel like a girl pitting them on head top yet? You ever see like a Jamaican frozen girl them on head top yet, man? You ever see them girl up on head top? Full of balance. And then can't balance their relationships. Two Jamaican girl them full of balance. Uncle pa head top. Because they can't balance nothing else. Not even a stable job. You see me I did? But look upon that, Mr. Wholeness. At least you can use that to your advantage. Send that guy Olympics go balance upon him blood clot head top for your money. For your price. Invest in a shit house them. Cause them are dead off there. You know make the whole of them dead off. Catch one left. Catch one blood clot left. You see one left out of fucker? Go catch them. Because it don't make no sense you have so much gold medal a waste. When you have so much people full of balance for head top and can flick through people. Brother, this coming like a dog show. Them people are full of trick. You have people that flick through people foot at Jamaica there, you know. At that daily go on over there. But then, in come down and broke the one the neck. So, you know, get the coach them and you see the blood clot progress. What gonna take out of this fucking shit there? Eh? What you gonna do all this? Tell him it's happy? You can't tell him it's happy. Yes, since that girl dead, me guarantee you, Mr. Wholeness, about 5-6 dance skip after that. I mean, no. Somebody girl pit me flick through, somebody else girl pit me foot, somebody else girl pit me chuck pan, somebody else girl pit me. A regular me watch some video one time, somebody else girl pit me chuck pan, the other girl pit me lick up in face pan the ground, Jigo. You see me, Jigo? So you're on now. My condolence, yes. I hope you learn. Come on, not dead. Eh? Hey. You see incident will go on? A 5 a week. I declare 5 a week. Hmm? You see, answer till you realize that this is not dancing. The sitting them on doing a dance, a killing one another. You see, answer till you realize that this is not dancing. I hope this reach all of you. Yeah, man. You see the flicking up and down on a go on with one to say that a dancing. Jigo, you see, answer till you realize as big woman said that I'm dancing. I want it to reach all of you. Hmm? If you don't take my cool artifices, open for cool artifices and still do it. Not fool? Mr. Goods, you see the flickings and the chuckings and the droppings and lick of head pan blood clot corner post. Answer till you realize that that is not dancing, I declare it for you. All the man them to me want to drop off a sit and mash up on your face. One time when I do all of them dancing there, when you not claim to say when I do all of them then sitting there when they are dancing, I want to fuck up on yourself. You understand me? Yeah, man. Nobody not sorry for you, you know. No. For what? Only sorry for yourself? This is dancing, you know. Continue. Continue. You see dancing? This. I tell you what, one sister. You see this dancing want to claim to say this progress? The chucking up and down and the this out and beating one another, no this and one no realize that is not dancing. Until then, I declare this for all of you. Yeah, man. Me declare it for all of you, man. Yes, man. Una kill on a blood clot self in nothing. Nothing. Clout and you want blood clot viral. I don't want people video you dance on you do them they sitting there. See it now? Yes, mama. You're viral and you're dead too. Look at that. That is whole heap of flicking for nothing. For what? For viral on social media because somebody have video it. God, that's all me see them dance here get out of this thing. Them viral on social media. They need to go Olympics. Who do need to go pen relay? Who do need to go Olympics? Who do need to go anyone at the relay them youth? Go do something, go do some long jump, bro, God. Who do fucking love flick up and down? Go do some long jump. No wonder Jamaica always have win in athletics because guess what? Who full of too much blood clot energy? Who too fucking hyper, bro, bigger, bro. Jesus, there you go. Who the fucking stop? Wanna stop sell boom right now? No more boom. Not one more. Don't drink no more boom. Christ. Is that the hobby on if you want to end of that? Dancing. Bow. In a blood clad tire. I want care. And a dancing that. How? You love Jamaican culture that? Jesus Christ. Me feel hurt for Jamaican. This is serious. I am not going to pretend as if I am not fucking baffled, because I am. Me not surprised. Me just hope say you don't realize. Say, you don't got dead. You see me? Me not surprised. No remorse. I am very sorry that our children have to go through that. But, hello. Move up here so the blood clot realize how now dead. Oh no got dead. Continue. Continue do it. Me not tell you to stop. Do it. So you want to hurry up, pussycat. Hurry up and leave us. Because on a eat. On a eat for leave. So go. Leave us. Since that I go on, I don't want to go. Go on. Me not tap on. You don't want to flick up and down and make people chop on and broke on the neck in a dance. Go on, go dead. And that you don't want to do. Go on. Me not make no blood clot body kill me, then wicked we there. You mad? What a way. What a fucking way to go. You serious? I can't, me not have nobody wild me them way there. If this is going to be dancing, me don't want to do it. Me rather go back to skanking. Me rather skank. Because, hey, I'm not dancing that jigo. Me rather go back to blood clot skia. Bust to blood clot bad skank. Drink a hot beer. You see me I deal with? Yes, man. Black roses in my garden. Roses in my garden. Whoa, in my garden. Me rather blood clot skank. Bring me back to your skanking. Skanking. Listen, what the blood clot do now? Which part of the dancing? I'm dead, sir. Go kill on the blood clot cell. Go on. Take your show. Take your cloud. And go walk funny and talk funny bumbo clot. See cloud? See cloud, they go float on it, bumbo clad like Aladdin. Mister go on, go up on one of them cloud there, like pussy clad Aladdin. Me no want tonight. Me good. Me good with the easy skanking. Easy skanking, yeah that? Yeah man, me just a hold me one. Skanking in one corner, yes sir. Diamond socks, and me me wallaby clocks. Diamond socks. I be a fuck you now blood clot though. Me soon a show girl all bout to blood clot for house top. Then me soon a shoot them through the house top, then chop on them. That a dance? That a dance? Una de on bicycle, I should be all blood clot bicycle with puncher with the girl panny. That a dance? That a dance? Which my beat there, you know that? Eh? I push you all blood clot tata with the blood clot girl in there. Somehow me soon I push blood clot hand cat and a jam girl. That a dance? That a dance? Oh, that a dance? Tell me how that a dance? Eh? Una take blood clot box drinks and a beat girl with this until it bust and wet up a girl. That a dance? Oh, that a dance? Drag off girl here and a beat them with you and then tie around their neck and a choke them. That a dance? How that a dance? Your friend gone on her head top, then you choke through your friend foot and then choke by your friend for split over there. So that a dance? Oh, that a dance? Eh? No more blood clot boom. Me don't want to see one more on the shelf down there. This blood clot rum and boom. Be your energy. When you make blood clot, you see it? When you make elephant man days of energy got gone to the blood clot ground. Big up Balenciaga. Right now, Balenciaga the name energy got again. Them the man they start wear Balenciaga. You see me? Them man they wash you over chain them the normal. So to make sure take out the whole of the blood clot energy from the God. And I won't know any boom. Just a run up and down in a dance and a chuck all over the blood clot place. Me see. Boom better than Red Bull, but look how much it a kill. Because the boom a lead them for this energy. And all missy girl from blood clot. Donkey in a dance in a jiggle. Man a fuck girl pan a donkey in a jiggle. Donkey in a... Oh, that's a dance. That's a dance. That can't be dance. Fuck you go on. Then this a boy, you know. Where girl them come? Hey, remember you know uno girl. Remember, girl, I'm me telling you what this one have to fight back. You see, if at one time you suck and you don't succeed, suck again. Because let me tell you this. You see this thing? Name life, you have to fucking succeed, goods. You feel me? If a boy a beat a tabby and kill him, man. Tabby and kill it, blood clot, good as you can't take it no more. Me say mama tough in and pussy clot heart because here we know, you can't take this fucking suffering any further. This workless thinking mouth boy get up every day and a beat this girl. Him and a chew and lick from blood clot Samson and the whole of them pan the people girl pitney. And the girl have a tough one in her stomach. She have a tough one in her chest making pissing kin. She have to make him piss and shit himself. You know why? She have to make the other man them know. So listen, we don't start off the year with a bang, but we are ending with a boom. You feel like me I deal with you, man, the girl them a shove in her stomach now. Me say the people them say when the girl shove in her chest him piss and shit himself same time. You feel me? Every day when I get up a beat, there is one whole heap of woman and say, oh, nah, man, a time for no shit up on herself now. A time for no shit on herself. You see, one time she pinch him in her stomach with a knife. Yes, man, him shit. Him piss, him defecate. I'm telling you. You think every day girl in this house to get up and take a fucking beating? One of the things say girl him out take a beating every day and I say, her. Me G. Them are going to make on piss up and shit up on herself to Jigo. You see me? Una cut off, you don't shot the girl them. Una do these things. The girl them are make on piss up on herself this year. See how you too. Una shot them and stab in her chest. You feel me? Don't underestimate these women they're fighting back. She not gone to prison. Self-defense. Eh? Where you put your hand on the people and girl pick you want her? She'll leave, make she go on. Eh? You want the girl, you don't want the girl. And your pussy so that's your turn. Eh? That's a pussy work. Always remember that. No man own a pussy, that's your turn for fuck it. You see me? Use your turn wisely, brother, because this is like blood clot jeopardy. Like jeopardy, G go. I hear a turn. Fuck you and cut me, G. And I hear a time for you fuck and I kill her. And red. No, when I make a girl him of your pinching up like baby. In a chest and I get tab up. You girl him not gonna take it, brother. And I say it work. Well, go on, brother Savage. You not gonna link me. And I say it work, G go. Eh? Who not gonna piss up and shit up on yourself till you girl him alone are dead? Huh? Huh? Joke thing. It's a fucker. Yo, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand what I do with? Pretty style, no. You see when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell. So every time I post a video, when I get it, dog, every time I ever say it's a Jigo, big man thing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Pretty Dan Parks. By YouTube, me have 22,000 subscribers. Want to subscribe to now? Jeez, I over the same money there, you know. Watch the ad them. It's when the ad them come in. Make sure you don't watch them. Skip them if you no must. You feel them I deal with, but the little food are going in my pocket. You know them look away there. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, chuck pan girl in a dance. Don't dance that. When your friend a chuck through your blood clot hole, like blood clot hula hoo, and a dance that good as. When you dip on your neck and make your friend a flick up and down for you like one spring mattress, good as. And a dance that good as. Go back to bubbling. And if you can't bubble, you in a blood clot trouble because the girl neck a broke there. Tap go on head tap. Hello, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go on, go blood clot, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Pretty Dan Parks. And make sure you see a clicky bell. Jesus Christ. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. It give the notification when time I post a new video. Let me make a little money now, man. Jesus Christ, you don't know me, I like big. Oh, God. At least you can do for me. Come on. When you done to me a shit out of me a dog shit, please. Eh? What, man? Huh? Jesus Christ. Yo, love you, man. Good night, peeps.